Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will talk about how a private client can create an appraisal order that requires a code and what happens after that. I will guide you through each steps to do so. For that, we need to click on a new appraisal order and create an appraisal order that has a type, basically the appraisal type that is selected for a code. For example, I'm going to go and select single family jumbo. And I here define my code as 670. And we're just gonna fill this form and submit it, and I'll be back to you. So basically, we have created an appraisal order successfully, and you can see the code is being prepared, which means our team is reviewing your order and will be preparing a fee code for it. So what happens when a code is assigned? We'll see that. So the ops admin, basically the operational admin of the A2Z AMC has defined a code that says that it should be 600. And if you feel that you're fine with this code, you can accept the code. If you are not fine with this code, you can reject the code and define it the reason that it's complex and you want 670 for this specific appraisal order, and you reject the code. So the code has been rejected, so they will send a revised code for it. They have sent a revised code that is 670 and you are fine with it. You have to accept the code, and then you can do the further activities of the appraisal order, such as do the payment. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.